Hello, welcome to the channel, Big H on Motors. I'm Big H. You're about to watch the first video of my 2019 Practical Classics Classic Car and Restoration Show video. So sit back, grab yourself a cup of tea, and I hope you enjoy. That's beautiful, isn't it? Oh, now we're working. So that's a Toyota Serra. No, you know the McLaren F1 that we saw on that Jay Leno's garage last night? That's what the doors of the McLaren F1 are based on. This. They're cool, aren't they? Let's have a look. Them doors are awesome. That's fantastic. You seen the doors? Just the same as the McLaren F1 doors. Is it a bit different? Made 35. Custom made. That's what you call a barn find. Wolseley special. Look how they set it up. That's good, that is, how they've done that. Geezer's garage. What's that? Ford Corsair. Sierra Cosworth. Not really my cup of tea, but people go mad for them, and I suppose they are iconic and they are worth an hell of a lot of money, but not for me, I'm afraid. This is the first one. Model number, chassis number 1. That one's something quite special. There we go, many people queuing up to see Mike Brewer, aka Sweaty Brewer. There we go, look. The most maligned car in motoring history, the Austin Allegro. I actually quite like these. Everyone loves to hate them, but they're not as bad as they as everyone thinks they are, because there wouldn't be so many around still, would there? There's one that needs some TLC. Russet to brown. That's in remarkable condition. Fulham BT. Oh, look at this. That's lovely. I'll just see you in one of these, Mrs. H. What an unusual colour. It does suit it though, I'm going to be honest. Don't know if I'd drive it myself, but I think Mrs. Haywood might have a go. That is quite superb. The colour suits it. Not a colour I'd choose myself, but £30,000. I'm sorry, but it's not worth that. So it's one of the limited edition minor millions, and it is for sale. Offers over, wait for it, £30,000. That is an awful lot of money, and I know it's a very rare car, minor million, but it's not 30 grand's worth, is it? Really isn't. View of it, go on, down we go. Have an overview of the halls. As you can see, it's a massive event. Go down here. Sorry, it's not the best gimbal in the world, but it'll have to do. Sunbeam Owners Club, MX-5s and various other bits and pieces. So it's a good old trip round here. The place is absolutely huge. How cool is this? The Bond bug. Have a look round. That's wicked. What a lovely, lovely thing. Coolest car ever made. Not far off, is it? Lovely. Because this was one of my favourite cars when they come out. Fiat 127 Sport in a magnificent orange colour. That's absolutely gleaming. I think it's one of the rarest cars on the British roads at the minute. Certainly one of the rarer Fiat models. Wow. That thing's gorgeous. Absolutely magnificent. Next to it, the Topolino. State. Gonna have a look at this. Practicality, bloop splits, you can put stuff in with a floor line flat. Look at the see interior. Let's have a nose in there. Panda hiding. Yeah, very versatile, usable Fiat. A 1946 VW Beetle. It's probably the oldest one I've ever seen. Let's have a quick look round. A basic utilitarian interior, which was ideal for the time. Let's have a look round the back. So I don't get in everybody's way. There we go, the very basic but very reliable air-cooled engine. Look at that for a back window. The oval twin back window. Lovely. HS, the fire-breathing version of the standard Vauxhall Chevette. Very rare, very, very quick. For its day it was anyway. Let's have a look around the front of this. 2.3 slant 4 engine. There we go. What a beauty. That's something a bit different. Viva customised Viva van with Escort Mark II headlights and grille and well that.
It's a chemical reaction.
I know, you've seen it. It says you won't like it when I'm Peels P50. Look at them. I don't think I'll even get in that. Aren't they fantastic? Look at the size of that one. They're great, aren't they? Have a closer look at this one. Hey? That truly is a micro car. I don't think you get anything smaller, can you? There you go. The answer to getting stuck in modern traffic. Oh, I love these, look. Yeah, I adore these little Heinkel Trojans. Oh, that is beautiful. Look at that. That is fantastic. Seen the interior? Isn't that truly beautiful? That is lovely, isn't it? And there's one that's in the process of being restored. That's lovely. To the front door. So unless you park close up to something, then you're a bit knackered, aren't you? Oh, they're outstanding.